cute.
Ponkuri. There is a temple. Ponkuri temple. Beautiful temple. So this is the entrance. Small park. Freedom Bliss Park. Beautiful structure. A beach near to sunny. The color composition. This is the wide view. Now we are in the green paradise, Wayanad. This is the Wayanad Guard session. We are going to Kozhikode from here. Thought of having a pit stop here and capture some beautiful visuals. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tind and Travel. After 10 months, we are going to our hometown, the Green Paradise, Wayanad. Started from Bangalore at 3 o'clock morning and reached at Bandipur forest area around 6:45. It took long time than usual due to the Bangalore-Mysore Express Highway construction work. The advantage of entering the forest in the early morning is we have a much higher chance of spotting animals that are still roaming around until the roads get busy with vehicles. The ambience completely changed once we entered the silent, calm and cool forest area. The roads are extremely good. Even though we passed this forest so many times, still it is an amazing experience. It is quite normal that we could spot lot of deer, wild elephants and monkeys during our drive through this forest.
So cute.
Can you hear the bird sound?
Yeah.
We can observe the change in the weather when we are closer to the Kerala side. Now we reached Ponkuri. Here you can see a beautiful temple dedicated to Lord Sri Rama, which is closely connected to the Indian epic Ramayana. The temple situated in a calm and peaceful atmosphere near the banks of the Ponkuri river. The temple structure follows the traditional Kerala style of architecture with tiled roof. After a long drive, we are about to reach our home. This is Pinangod Road.
I'm super excited. Yeah.
So after 10 months, we are coming to our home.
Yeah, and there are new updates to our home.
Going to see your grandparents.
Yes. 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 Wow.
This is my sweet home.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Let's surprise them. Let's go in. Woo. What the heck? Can somebody put a before and after here?
Wayanad is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Kerala. It is known for its pleasant climate throughout the year and its scenic beauty. Whenever I am there in my hometown, I will get up early and try not to miss witnessing the misty morning and capturing a few beautiful visuals. The mind-blowing weather makes our day. See the fog.
Yeah, can't see anything.
My home is located near Kalpata town. This is the morning view from Kalpata town. Time is around 8 o'clock. Still it is misty with very low visibility. Kalpata is the headquarters of the Wayanad district. It lies on the Kozhikode-Kollegal National Highway, NH 766, at a height of about 780 meters above sea level. Kalpata is situated at 72 kilometers from Kozhikode and 140 kilometers from Mysore. Now we are going to Kozhikode for my sister's medical checkup. We need to drive 72 kilometers to reach Kozhikode. Kozhikode is also known in English as Calicut. After driving half an hour, we reached Wayanad Gateway. You can see a small temple near to the Wayanad Gateway. Travelers usually stop here and get the blessings of Lekkadi Devi before they proceed with their journey. Now we are about to reach the Lekkadi viewpoint, a popular picnic spot that offers a beautiful view of mountains, valleys and ghat roads. This is located around 800 meters above sea level on National Highway 766. You will get a beautiful view of winding roads and the valley below Wayanad Ghats. This green ghat en route to Wayanad has 9 hairpin bends. The Wayanad Ghats is commonly known as Tamarasheri Churam. It was once explored by the tribals and the British further developed it. The view will be great during evening sunset time and early morning.
Wow.
Now we are in the green paradise, Wayanad. This is the Wayanad Ghat session. We are going to Kozhikode from here. Thought of having a pit stop here and capture some beautiful visuals. Oh, this is the beautiful view from the top. Wow, very nice. See, the mist is covering. Wow. Wow. Now we are continuing from here. This is Wayanad Ghats. Now we are continuing our journey to Kozhikode. This is another pit stop and viewpoint here. Wow, see this? Very nice view. This is another viewpoint. See this? Very beautiful weather. Sky is getting clear, but still we can see some mist. Need to travel another 53 kilometers from here to Kozhikode. So we are not wasting time. Continuing our journey. I can't stop recording the video. Such an amazing place. See the view from here. Wow. Fantastic place. If you are coming to Wayanad, try to go to Calicut side through the Wayanad Ghats. You can witness the amazing beauty from here. Now we stopped here. This is another pit stop here. There is a small waterfall. Small waterfall. Wow. Very clear water. Crystal clear water. This type of views you can see all around. This is the main road. So many vehicles are going. Again, continuing from here. Such an amazing place. After consulting doctor from Aster Mims, we plan to go to Kozhikode beach. This is the happening center in Kozhikode. Left side you can see city bus stand. This road always it will be heavy traffic. We are passing through Mavur road on the way to Kozhikode beach. Right side that huge building, that is KSRTC bus stand. So this building is KSRTC bus stand. It's about to sunset. Hopefully we'll reach before sunset. Kozhikode beach is accessible through 4 flyovers. It will be always a prominent and a rush place in Kozhikode. A lot of traffic. This is CSI flyover towards Kozhikode beach. And right side you can see the Paragon, the famous restaurant, very old restaurant in Kozhikode city. Heavy traffic. We are approaching Kozhikode beach. This is Kozhikode beach, the famous Kozhikode beach. From here we are taking left. Need to find a parking. Heard that lot of recent renovation happened here. It's a peak time and heavy crowded. We could not find a parking space. Can we park here? No, right?
No, it's Zebra.
Due to heavy traffic, we could not find a parking space here. So we are moving to the other side. Heard that there is another beach near to Kozhikode beach. I don't know the name of the beach, but let's go and see. How came to the other beach. This is also near to Kozhikode beach. The name of this beach is Konad beach, just 2 kilometers away from Kozhikode city. Here it is not much crowded. At last we reached to the Butt Road junction. So now we are going to Butt Road Junction beach. So this is the entrance. There is a small park here. Theeram Bliss Park. That is the name of this park. Theeram Bliss Park. Beautiful evening. Nice weather. You can see the long view of sunset from here. Wow, see this is a beautiful structure in this park, made out of a big rock. It's a rock structure. Wow. Beautiful evening in a beach near to Butt Road Junction, Kozhikode. You can see the long view of sunset. It's not that clear. I don't know whether the video can justify the beauty of this beach. Really an amazing place. Wow. We didn't get parking space near to the Kozhikode beach, so we were in search of parking, and at last we reached here. This is also a fantastic place or fantastic beach near to Kozhikode. Place name is Butt Road Junction, just 3 or 4 kilometers from Kozhikode city. Very nice place. It is less crowded compared to the Kozhikode beach. Very beautiful evening. This is what you can see here. Nice view. Thought of taking some visuals from here and back to Wayanad. See this? Wow. Very nice. Within few minutes, sun is going to set. The color of the sky is completely changing now. If you are in Kozhikode city, don't miss this place. This is such a fantastic place. I'm not saying that you should come to this beach. You have so many options nearby. If you're not getting parking space near to Kozhikode beach, you can come little bit forward. You can find another beach or this beach. This is a small park recently constructed near to this beach. Here also you can find a lot of crowd, but comparatively it is less crowded here than Kozhikode beach. This is really a fantastic place for spending evening. Now the sky color completely changed, mixed with red and blue. See the reflection. Fascinating scene. See the color combination of the sky. Wow. This is the wide view. See the reflection, you can see the color. On the street you can see so many vehicles, shops selling snacks, pickles, sarbat. Sayandanam Chandrika Lolama Nalambalam Nalam. On the way back to Kalpata, we stopped here for a coffee break. This is a cafe recently opened near Kalpata, Casa di Campo, situated at Chundel town. You can locate this cafe between Chundel and Vaitiri town. We had coffee and snacks from this cafe. Coffee, tea, fresh juice, milkshakes, burgers, sandwich and other snacks are available here. They are also running homestays in Wayanad. If you are interested, please reach out to them to the contact provided in the description. Around 10 p.m. we reached our home. It was a tiring and long day. With this, I'm ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.